Invest sa si Mamboy.
What's the problem? Tell me. Oh, this head.
Yeah.
I mean, guys, if you want, you can play without this head, but it will be cold for the head.
So you need to feel it.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe you put it like them, below.
I have this one.
You see? Yeah, and he got that. Maybe put it below the beard.
Maybe it's fine because I am wearing a beanie.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Is mask good size? Okay. For you.
Yes,
Yeah,
Mamboy,
tight, huh?
Oh,
Yes,
ready
Oh.
na.
nice.
Sino pa isa?
Hey!
Isa pa! Tara na!
Hi.
May
Yeah,
talapit
nice
sa
to
tayo.
meet
Picture
you.
muna tayo.
Come here to me. Hey, let's have a applause. Come to me, my man.